Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. If you're like me, sunglasses are a must, especially here in sunny Florida. These sunglasses from PolarSpex are just the best. This is the tortoise shell cat eye oversized sunglasses, and I absolutely love them. They are lightweight. They don't have anything here on the nose piece, which I do appreciate because when I wear my sunglasses and I go inside, this is where they wind up, and I don't need them getting all caught up in my hair. They came with this really nice case, which I love so that they don't get scratched up. Now, take a look at how good looking these sunglasses are. They're just great for chilling outside. And if tortoise brown is not your color, not to worry because they have so many colors to choose from. They are polarized, which it gives a beautiful hue to everything outside, but they also protect my eyes wonderfully. I don't get headaches when I'm out in the sun. If you're looking for a pair of really cool sunglasses that are going to protect your eyes, not weigh down your face, then I definitely would recommend these, but that's just my point of view.